What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Alabaster Curved Sword in Crimson Desert. This sword's aesthetics are pleasing and neat to look at with its streamlined design. Though it looks handsome, all three of its Abyss gear slots are vacant but are free for you to customize. It's got 16 points in attack and unfortunately no extra buffs. You can find this sword in the westmost part of the Crimson Desert, on top of the Four Bearers Barrens, right where my X mark is at. It's hard to miss once you get there because our destination will be pretty obvious. You just need to reach the round platform at the center of this sea of sand. All you have to do is to get enough elevation to glide down towards it. If ever you fall short on stamina and fall in the sand, just quickly scramble towards the closest rock to avoid sinking onto it. When you step on the round platform, walk around the middle until you see this correction. It's like a disturbed portion of the ground. Interact with it and your character will dig out the sword. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.